Farmers have resumed their Delhi Chalo march towards Delhi. Police tightened security at Shambhu border. Security personnel have fired tear gas shells in an attempt to stop the farmer protesters from moving ahead into the national capital. Farmer leader Sarwan Singh Pandar says the centre is still adamant despite 300 days of protests. Listen in.
देखिए, दोनों फोरम जैसे किसान मजदूर मोर्चा और एसकेएम गैर राजनीतिक की ओर से आज 300 दिन दोनों मोर्चों को चलते हुए हो गए हैं। और दूसरा हमारा बड़ा ऐलान था कि पंजाब में जहां भी भाजपा के कोई भी पदाधिकारी केंद्र के पंजाब कोई भी आएंगे तो हम उसका विरोध करेंगे। हमें अभी मालूम नहीं सुना है, सैनी साहब और गडकरी जी शायद अमृतसर जा रहे हैं। हम यहां से आह्वान करते हैं देश के किसान को, पंजाब के किसानों को, उनका विरोध होना चाहिए। अगर वो वहां जाते हैं तो पंजाब में भाजपा के जो भी अधिकारी पदाधिकारी निकलेंगे उसका विरोध किया जाएगा।
My colleague Anushka joins us with more details. Anushka, take us to the ground situation. Farmers, they're still protesting. Earlier we heard that tear gas shells were fired on the farmers to stop them from entering the capital.
Well, certainly what we are seeing is that 101 farmers have started their march towards Delhi. But what we are also seeing is that the police, the security personnel that are deployed here are constantly using tear gas, are shelling, in fact, the tear gas on the farmers who are trying to march towards Delhi. So far, 3 to 4 rounds of tear gas shelling has been done on the farmers. And also, according to several farmers here, one person has been injured and has been rushed to the hospital from this protest site. We are showing you visuals from the, this is few meters away from the site where protest is going on. Here, thousands of farmers are gathered here and are in fact raising slogans against the government, and are also saying that till the government does not hear what they have to say, till somebody from the authority does not come here and in fact talk to them about their needs, they will keep on protesting like this only. What we saw on Friday, same picture can be seen today as well. What we're also seeing is that the police personnel are using tear gas against the farmers who are protesting right now. Also, what we are seeing is that the police, the farmers are have so far said that they will keep this protest peaceful, and they are in fact peacefully marching towards the Shambhu border, where 7 layers of barricading have been kept in place to prevent them from marching forwards. Also, the police have asked the farmers that they should in fact show the identity cards before marching forward, because they needed to match the names of the farmers who in fact were told to march towards Delhi. The farmers have denied to provide the identity cards because they have said that they are in fact not allowed to march forward. That is why they will not be going to show, they will not be showing them the identity cards also. And what we are also seeing is that the farmers have said this protest will go on till somebody from the authority comes here and tells the farmer about what all can be done regarding their demands and regarding their needs. What we are also seeing is that the police personnel that are deployed here, 7-layer barricadings have been kept in place so that the farmers cannot march forward. The farmers are patiently waiting for the security personnel to stop firing tear gas at them so that they could march forward. But also what we are seeing is that the police personnel are in fact telling the farmers to move back and not to protest forward and not to march forward Delhi, because they have been given no permission as such to move towards Delhi. Also at the protest site there are 101 farmers, and back here few meters away from the protest site we are seeing thousands of farmers who have gathered here to protest. They are in fact saying that till somebody from the authority does not come here, they will keep on protesting like this. They have 12-point demands that they kept forward in front of the government. Now, these are the 5-year-long demands that the farmer have been keeping in place. Since February 13, the farmer are camping here at the Shambhu border. We are showing you live visuals from the site where protests are going on. Now, we are showing that 5th round of tear gas shelling has been done on the farmers who are protesting here, but the farmers are not budging from their place. They are in fact marching forward and are saying that they will keep on protesting like this till their demands are not met. We can show you the visuals also. You can clearly see that the tear gas has been fired on the farmers, and because of that, the farmers are quite facing a lot of difficulties also, and they have said that in fact one person has been injured and has been rushed to the hospital, and that is why the farmers here are quite angry also. They are saying that quite agitated, if I may say, because they have said that nobody from the government is willing to in fact talk to them and are using force against them. They are using tear gas and they are shelling tear gas against the farmers who are protesting.
Thank you, Anushka, for joining us and bringing us those details.